Hello everyone, this is Richard with the Modern Healthspan newsletter. First, a disclaimer. In this newsletter series, we will share the latest research studies, news and events in the Healthspan field that we found interesting. It is not a recommendation or medical advice. Our first study this week looks at how resveratrol helps protect pancreatic beta cells from alcohol exposure. As you may know, the pancreatic beta cells are the ones responsible for secreting insulin into the blood. Resveratrol has been found to improve alcohol-induced diabetes. It is known that the beta cell senescence plays a critical role in the progression of diabetes. The exact mechanism by which resveratrol improves the beta cell senescence was not known. In the study, they fed rats with alcohol, with or without resveratrol, and they saw that resveratrol decreased the alcohol-induced buildup of senescent cells, which they determined by increased markers of cell proliferation and reduced markers of senescent cells. And it also helped with NAD+, NADH ratio, and SIRT1 activity while inhibiting the key markers of senescence. Supplementation with NAD boosters such as NMN effectively reversed the alcohol-induced beta cell senescence, while inhibiting SIRT1 stopped the beneficial effects of resveratrol. As they say in the conclusion, resveratrol improves the ethanol-triggered beta cell senescence and recovers beta cell mass loss by inhibiting the markers of senescence through an NAD+ SIRT1 dependent pathway. The second study looked at the relationship between Omega3 index and the speed of heart rate recovery after exercise in healthy people. The background to the study is that Omega3 can influence the heart autonomic tone. However, there is not much data regarding heart rate recovery. The study was large, nearly 14,000 people. The authors looked at the recovery rate of the heart after exercise and categorized the results by the Omega3 index level. As a note, the Omega3 index is the percentage of EPA and DHA in the fat of your red blood cells, and the lower values are a risk for heart disease. In this article from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they propose 3 zones: high risk below 4%, intermediate risk between 4 and 8%, and a low risk above 8%. In their conclusion, the authors stated that they saw a direct relationship between the heart rate recovery and the omega-3 index values, which do suggest that omega-3 polyunsaturated fats could be cardioprotective. And for our final study today, a look at quercetin improving cognitive disorders. 7-month-old mice with accelerated senescence were fed quercetin for 4 weeks. And the mice fed with the quercetin showed improved spatial learning and memory impairment using the Morris water maze. The authors say that quercetin increases the activation of SIRT1 and prevented neuroinflammation. In addition, it could reduce the levels of malon dialdehyde, a highly reactive chemical, and reactive oxygen species in the hippocampus of aging mice. So it does seem that quercetin may be helpful in improving neuroinflammation. We do take about 400 milligrams of quercetin as part of our daily supplements. Hopefully it is keeping inflammation down in our brain as well. I really like this tweet from Iceman Wim Hof this week. Just love the way he looks so calm out in the freezing cold. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you found the Modern Healthspan newsletter informative. As we find more interesting research and longevity news, we will release our next newsletter. Please stay tuned. Please do hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button for new video release notifications. It encourages us to continue to create more videos about anti-aging and extending healthy lifespan. Thank you so much for your kind support. I wish you all well and will speak to you again soon.